Practice ba yan ng bangko na magre-release ng 457 million cash? Hindi ba red flag na yan na dapat nire-report? Magkano wini-withdraw mo?
May withdrawal po akong 457 eh.
457 million. Pumayag yung bank manager sa 457 million cash. Ang gusto natin malaman dito complicit ba ang banking system natin sa ganitong klaseng corruption? Paano nangyayari na daang milyon, kalahating bilyong piso, parang pikit mata ang ating banking system? Bakit walang patakaran ang bangko na, teka muna, kasi pag may cheque, meron ding paper trail. 500 million cash sa loob ng 2 araw. Hindi napapansin. Government bank pa ho ito. At most likely, alam ninyong government funds yung binayad doon sa kliyente ninyo.
Hindi po ako kasi magtataka or mag-iisip ng negative since the funding is coming from the government and the DPWH and knowing it's for the projects.
So hindi suspicious transaction yung kalahating bilyon, 2 araw nilabas?
Once the transaction is more than 500,000, it will be automatically captured by the system and be reported as covered transaction report.
Of course, that suspicious transaction report now, they're saying, is they cannot divulge the contents of that report. Tama ba, AMLA?
We usually, pag trigger for investigation po, we're able to conduct a backtracking of the transactions, Your Honor.
Yes, but and then what?
If it is related to an investigation of an unlawful activity, Your Honor, we make use of it as part of our case build-up.
But you can't freeze it there and then.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Kulang ang batas. You're saying kulang ang ngipin ng anti-money laundering law in this regard? Because kung ganon, di ayusin natin yung anti-money laundering law. Pagka may ganyang mga sitwasyon, dapat proactive yung bangko.